Hello, my name is David Tsirekas. I'm here at the Australian Embassy in Athens, Greece. I'm here to present a dinner and a talk on the influence of Greek migrants since 1878 on the Australian food industry. Ever since 1878, the Greeks have played an important role in the way they've shaped and moulded Australian food, especially Greek food. My relationship to Greece is about getting in touch with my cultural roots. Being so far away in Australia, I lost my connection with Greece, and I refound that connection through cooking. Greek food didn't come to the forefront in Australia, funnily enough, until the mid-70s, but Greeks were the majority stakeholders in serving and providing food to all Australians. It was their way. They did it the best. They were the most hospitable. They were the ones that worked 7 days a week through Christmas and Easter and never stopped innovating food. And it wasn't until the 70s that Australia actually became ready for Greek food. Since then, utilising the multi-ethnic groups in Australia, they've incorporated flavours from Asia and South America and Africa, and that melting pot has developed Greek food far beyond than any place in the world.